Dogelon Mars has been making an awesome pattern here on their chart, and basically just because there's a chance that pretty soon here we should be seeing a massive explosion and massive increase here for the token. So I recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what just happened to Dogelon Mars or what's gonna happen to this coin in the future. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, it means so to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out. So here we are on the chart. So what's been happening here to this token? Basically, as you can see here, we've been forming some patterns. I'm gonna first show you guys what happened here in the past. So first thing first, we did make something like this where we tried to go all the way to here. So basically, we made a giant triangle right over here at this level. But as you can see, something else happened. We broke the top side. Was amazing. So we broke the top side, but the increase wasn't too big because we didn't stabilize enough. So seeing this is still pretty much okay because we did continue to go up. We bought the dip, a lot of people bought the dip, and we just continued to go up, and that's super important. Now because of this, the pattern did change. We're not looking anymore at the all-time high to check out the triangle. We're looking at some other values and some other numbers. So what is happening right now? We can actually just change this color, the color of this thing here, so you guys can see like the difference between like this triangle and the triangle I'm gonna draw right now. So what is happening right now? Another triangle here is forming, and this is how the new triangle is looking like. So basically what's happening here, we're making a new pattern, we're making the new triangle here that's going to be able to break through to the top side pretty soon here because we're hitting some values that are super important. Some patterns are being formed here that are making Dogelon Mars actually just explode. So what's been happening here? First, a really good indicator. Every single time we see these kinds of triangles here is that something very important needs to happen. We need the volume to go down. And as you can see here, if we do check out the volume here, it has been going down. It has been going down exponentially. So we just make, if you guys want to see here, boom, it's gradually going down, which is amazing to see. So the volume is going down. That is super important. Next thing is also the RSI has to go down for us to be able to have enough momentum to continue to go up. What's been happening? RSI is at the middle here, which is really good. It is a good sign here, and it just shows you that we are stabilizing and everything is okay. Other sign here, we at the tip. We need to go to the tip of the triangle, and as you can see, if we want the most explosion, we need to go to the tip, of course. So as you can see here, we're pretty close to the tip of the triangle, so that means explosion coming soon. So is it going to be a top side or the downside? Well, because this kind of pattern is actually being formed to so many other coins, so Kishu Inu and Shiba Inu have been making the exact same pattern here, and Dogelon Mars doing the exact same thing here basically. So forming this pattern means it should be able to explode to the top side. We are making a cross here now. If you actually go here to the 1 hour chart, you can see here something very important. We did make a bearish cross here at the end, but we should be able to bounce off right now and try to go up. If we don't, so this is what happens. If we continue to go down and break below this level, we're going to continue to go down. And I think then Dogelon Mars is going to go down. So Dogelon Mars is going to go down, and that's it. So do be aware of that. Do be aware of what's happening here, and then you need to watch the chart if you are holding Dogelon Mars. So I like Dogelon Mars. I think people are calling it like Dogelon Mars. If I'm not pronouncing it right, I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to pronounce it right. But yeah. Tip of the triangle, we're pretty close here. These two lines, they could start to differentiate themselves. They should be able to move from each other. That needs to happen. Something like this where we just explode. Look at this. So something like this needs to happen where we just boom explode and these two move away so much from each other. So something like this needs to happen right now if we want good things to happen. Another indicator here, the selling power is getting lower, but the buying power is also getting low because the volume is just going down. So seeing this, like I said, boom, we got to test here, we got to test here, we got to test here, and test here. As you can see, 5 times, so 6th time right over here, and then explosion. So how much can we go up if we go to the top side? There's 2 ways we can actually measure this. The first way we can do it is by taking this line right over here, measuring from here to here, and then just putting it at the tip. this is how much we can go up. So the level is basically 0.00031, maybe even 32. So all the way to there. This is something that could be happening here to this token, that Dogelon Mars could be able to do this. So I'm excited. But look at this now. If you take the Fibonacci, this is a whole different story now. If you take the Fibonacci here, it shows us that we can go even more up. So even more. So it's basically 0.0038. So something like this is even possible right now for Dogelon Mars. So like Dogelon Mars. So pretty close. How much can we increase if we do measure where we are right now? If we bought right now at the tip, basically it's 86%, but if we go all the way to here, it's about 130%. So there you go. This is something that is pretty much possible here for this token. So I'm ready for this, but do watch the chart. Like I said, we could equally go down at the same time, but I believe that all of these like meme coins will be able to do the exact same thing, where all of them do go up, because they're all doing the exact same pattern here. So Shiba Inu, Kishinu, they're all doing the exact same pattern here, and I believe pretty soon all of them will go up. Also here, I want to show you guys their new medium. It's the roundup of the month. So look at this. Basically, they have 15 things they did in this month, which is just insane. So they've been giving away money for like foundations. That's awesome to see. $500,000 here. That's insane. Got listed on OKX. Made a Polygon bridge here. Dogelon yield farming on basically the Polygon, which is on QuickSwap, I think. Awesome to see here. New listing on crypto.com. All this happened in the last 30 days. Number one ranked community by coin night. There you go. So basically just exploding here. 1 billion market cap reach for Dogelon Mars. So seeing new all-time highs, of course, is amazing. Again, top gainers of October 2021 goes to Dogelon Mars. There you go. Just exponential increase, over almost 4,000% increase here for this token, which is just insane. Over 100,000 holders here for this token. Also verified channel on Telegram. There you go. They're not gonna get banned. Because a lot of scammers do report your channels, and this is really bad to see, but because they have a little bit of check mark here, it's a lot better now. So third place, social gaming by crypto rank. Awesome to see here. Elon announcement. I do check out about Elon. I did talk about this in my previous video. And number one ranked altcoin on Lunar Crush. Awesome to see. 250,000 followers on Twitter. So huge number here, huge following here. People are just super excited. Dogelon Mars trading globally on Twitter. So there you go. Just trending on Twitter. Simple Swap and Dogelon Mars. Awesome to see. And that's about it. We have Elon is listed on StealthX. So there you go. A lot of things happen here in the last 30 days. What's gonna happen in the next 30 days here? We're gonna see. I'm excited because these guys have been really exploding, like heavily investing into marketing, doing whatever they can to just explore and expand this token here. So I do believe it should be able to continue to go up even more, but we're gonna see. In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.